Okay, so I got the Jumbo. So this is called the Rinseroo, and this one is for the 7 inches and above. But this one's kind of small, so I'm gonna try it anyway. Okay. I've already washed the tub, and hopefully it stays on. It says to do it I'm so nervous. Oh no, it's coming off. No. No. Okay, let's take this back. Okay. Okay. Let's try it again. I don't know if it has a rubber thingy on it. It does not. Okay. Well, so far, I think it did a pretty good job. I think it did. I like it. What are you growling about? Now, she did ask me to, well, she didn't ask me, but I'm going to do it. The shower curtain. So. Ta-da!